Hi guys, XDI here with the first gaming video on my phone, Clash Royale. I have a good deck. As you can see, I have two legendaries. This Clan Romania Clash, and I buy almost all of these, which is because I'm a gangster. But anyway, let's start with our first game. I want to know what kind of strategy they have. Okay. Oh, Night Witch. That's good. Let's see, what should they put? Don't really have something that does a lot of splash damage. So, don't push really hard. This is actually hard. Come on. You have like nothing that does. And his Night Witch is like literally dead. No, please don't kill. Now I know that this one is going. I know that this game is going. We are going to be dead. Sorry for my English. Come on, it's not fair. Look what they have. A bandit versus a level 8 still. It's kind of crazy. Oh wow. Please. I just put on things, Saws for my throat. Rematch? Yeah, let's do a rematch. Well, these days no one rematches. Sorry, because there's no sound, but there's something wrong with my face cam, so saws. What the? Sorry for the sound. Should we just? I just risk it. I don't know if he had a skeleton army. Oh, now I have a skeleton army and something else. Cause why not? Come. If we are going to lose all these matches, I promise I'm going to delete this video and do another one. 4 and 4, which is 8. No, I need something that really does splash damage. Oh my god, a princess is a at least just one tower. That's all I want. The shortcut is I'm putting come on, one hit. So he could block. Bruh. I like when people do this. They just throw like a barrel, goblin barrel, and they're like, just quiet. Come on. A free star. Can we do it? Of course we can. Of course we maybe can. Of course we maybe. No. Right. Like when this happens, like let's say you do no damage like to the people, to the enemies, and suddenly you just start like destroying one. You go on the king tower and you literally like destroy them. Let's see. Oh, no, I can destroy this, maybe. Yes. Why? Bro, are you even... He's not even playing. Should I just let them win, you know? I don't want to be good to people because I don't like... Oh, yeah. Because why not? Let's just spam this. Oh, now you start playing when we are dead, aren't you? And guys, please like and subscribe. I mean, do whatever you want, but you know what people like. At least try watching this video if you don't like it, but at least don't hate. Because it's not hate. It's not like hate. It's not good hating people. And one thing, if I would become like with 1,000 subscribers, you know what I would say, and let's say you would meet me and you would really like, you'd be like, ah, you know what I would say? I would say, I'm not famous, you guys are famous because you've done this to me. Have I done it correct? Anyway, we destroyed the tower, which is good. Not much damage on the king tower. Should we go on the king tower? Hard. I like when people have like, how are these called? Like the guardians. I love when people have them. Why? Because they are like so weak. You just put a zap and the shield is down, then they let's play more than talking, okay? Okay. I really shouldn't went on the king. Okay, see what you're doing. If I have time to put a prince, I mean a dark prince. Come on, put it down. No, it's down. Just say this and should we? Yes, we should. Good. Anyway, I think we are going to the 3 count because we have 1 more minute. Should we actually do it? Let's do it. I don't care. Or maybe I care a bit, but not much. Let's just put a smiley face. Why have I done this to my life? I'll just say, please don't. Yes. Guys, short video, but still, I don't like going over 10 minutes. I mean, we could, but I don't really want this time. Let's see what we could do. Now, for the first gaming video, I would like people, if they could join this clan. Look how good it is. I mean, they didn't do 10, but still 9 is quite a good number. Wait, am I the best? No, I'm not. Let's see which one is the best. I'm almost in the best in this Zeus. Okay, Zeus is actually really good. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and share as always, and see you next time. Peace.